So I'm having this dream. I'm in a Turbo Z. And these guys are after me. But they can't touch me. So they got a car. But they can't catch me. So they get a plane. Just as they're about to catch me, the twin turbos kick